Okay, today guys, we will be using tornadoes in Minecraft. Okay, let's get it. Settings are tornado side. Item spawn an egg entity. Yo, it's a satellite. That's sick. Okay, so guys, we're gonna test the tornado spawner on this innocent village. You are gonna be dead. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I can't see. Bro, it picked up the bro, they're iron golden. Okay, that's right. Turn that down for you guys. Damage range 50. Oh, it's an F1. It picked up the satellite. It's picked up my satellite. Bro, not looking. Look, it's tilted. Wait, is it gonna turn into a water one? Is it gonna turn blue? Wait, does it turn blue if it goes into water? Oh, it doesn't turn blue, but it changes color like the bottom thing. That's cool. Oh, the sheep. Okay. Does it pick up blocks? Oh, yeah, you can see dirt blocks. That's it. Is that another village? Go that way. How am I taking a It's growing. A while ago it was range 50. It's range 300 now. It actually grows. That's so cool. Look. Okay, so it's going. Oh, sweet. There's blocks in the water. Oh yeah, if it gets close, you can rocks a little. Oh, it's going for the ocean. It's gonna be an ocean thing. What does it look like from the bottom if you're in the water? You literally just don't see it, I guess. Oh wait. Wait, it's even sucking up the fish. Wait, let's see if it actually sucks up the fish up. Wait, let's see if it sucks up the fish up here. Nah, I don't see any fish. Bruh, it doesn't suck up the fish. How was this tree on that little moon? Oh, the cow, bro. Oh, the cows. Oh, the cow's alive, bro. How's the cow alive? It's still an F1, bro. I want it to be an F2. Oh, wait. Oh, look at the... Wait, what happens if we go inside of it? Ugh, I can't see. Yo. Wait, let's go in the very top. You can't hear it anymore because we're in, like, the eye of the storm. Wait. Yo, we're at the top. What happens if you go into this smoke? Oh, you can't see. Okay, let's see. Down there. Bro, this tiny. It's an F2. Oh, it just grew bigger. It changed into an F2. Look how big it is, right? It's so big now, bro. It's big. It got way big. Now let's go on the inside, bro. Now this is what I'm talking about. Look how cool that looks. I'm on it. Yo, this is sick. Let's go to the very bottom where the water is at. Wait, let's go in game mode survival and see if it picks us up. So it's going southeast, so that means it's coming this way. Yeah, it's coming this way. So we gotta go this way. Hurry to that. Type it back. Okay. Now, bruh, it disappeared right when. Wait, no, it's still picking us up. Yo, we're getting picked up by it. Let's go. Help me. Bro, I'm just flying. This is the best mod I've ever had. Going back in. I'm going back in. I'm going back in. Let me back in. I want back in. Let me back in. Let me back in. Oh yeah, by the way, next episodes I have the mod apocalypse, like buckets that can start a tsunami, lava tsunami, like get this purple stuff that eats the world. It's gonna be epic. Wait, land. That means we can catch up faster once we get to it. Oh, it's going fast. I don't think we can catch up to that hill. Now we can. Let's go. We gotta hurry up. Or we gotta catch this tornado. We're like, freaking, storm trackers, bro. We're following this tornado. Well, look at the trail. No, it's getting away. No. No. It's getting away. No. Don't go away. No. It basically got away. There's no way we're catching that, bro. Yeah, there's no way. Bro, this cave is no way. Yeah, we're not catching it. That sucks, bro. I just lost. I lost the tornado. Wait, I still see it. We might, but it's so far. How are we supposed to catch that? The particles are barely rendering in, bro. Go, go. Bro, I want to catch this tornado. Oh my god, bro. Come here, tornado. No! Bro, look at it's all the way. It's just I have high render distance. It looks like I'm close. Move out the way, goofy move. Yeah, I'm not catching it. Might as well just go. Creative. Now we're creative. Now let's catch it. Oh, it was all the way. Bro, it took me long just to fly over here and create, but that's how far it was. Yeah, we were not gonna catch it. Let's get picked up by it again. So it's still going southeast. That means yeah, see you. What is that? Oh, I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. I'm inside the tornado. Oh, I'm outside now. I'm probably gonna get thrown again, bro. That's what happened last time. What are those, like, hearts under my hunger? I'm just gonna not mind that. Oh, it flung me. Wait, no, I'm still on it. Yo. When is this thing gonna end, bro? When is this tornado ending? Like, honestly. Let's make it end. Okay. This is it. The video's over. It was nice having y'all in the video. Thank you for watching. If you want to see it, go up. This is what it looks like. And then the storm goes away. It should start going away. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm going to end it at 10 minutes. Okay, bye.